Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Glitterbels acrylic mystery box, which is the August 2022 box 2. If you haven't seen already, I have opened box 1, so I will link that down below. Also, I unboxed the gel polishes, not the gel polishes, the gel mystery boxes, box 1 and box 2. So if you want to see what's in them, I'll link it down below, go check them out. The first acrylic box I was super happy about. Sorry, I'm just trying to open this box. Yeah, I was super happy about. So I hope there is no doubles in here. I hope there isn't the, what do you call it, the forms. I'm hoping that's not the case, but if it is, I'm not mad. So I'm going to get rid of these packing peanut thingies, whatever they are. Oh, okay, so this one is all bubble wrapped. Oh no. Guess what I've got? Guess what I've got? It's okay. I am not mad. Okay, here's the box. See that? Right, I'm going to keep this box to the side, or on my lap really. So, we have some forms, 300 in there, which look like that. It's a big old roll. Okay, I see what's happening here. It's okay. I sound disappointed, but it's alright. It's alright. So they are bubble wrapped this time, whereas my last one wasn't. So I'm guessing this is the 240 grit. Am I right? Oh no, 180. Okay, this I can see are tips, number 3. Okay, the clear pinched square. So I had number 1 in my box number 1. So I just need to get the other lot now. Right, this one, is it the glass slippers? We shall see. I think it is glass slippers. I'm not mad because you can never have too much of the glass slippers. So now I have 5. Right, these two look promising. I'm hoping I don't have any of these. No, okay, I don't. So this is Blue Lagoon. Ooh, wasn't expecting that. Beautiful glitter. And then lastly we have Lavender Shimmer. Do I have lavender? No, I have lilacs. Is that lilac? Violet Skies, I think. Okay, so it's got like a shimmer. You can see from the lid. Pretty. Okay. I am going to swatch these two acrylics. Let me get me swatch sticks and I shall be back. Right. Zoom you in a bit. Okay, so I am going to swatch the lavender shimmer first. Now I seem disappointed. In a way I kind of am. I was hoping that I would get more acrylics. Excuse me, I just burped. I'm so sorry. I was kind of hoping that they didn't have the forms in and there was like some more acrylic, but I mean that's just gonna make me wanna. It's gonna make me want to practice with forms now. So God, I'm a bit too close. Sorry. That's pretty. Okay, we have a bit of marbling. So let me just play with that a little. It is a pretty colour. Right, I'm going to turn this over and it's going to be a hot mess, I know it. Okay, you ready for it? Well, that's what it looks like there. Yeah. But it is beautiful. I love the shimmer in it. And then this one, which is Blue Lagoon. Beautiful glitter. Look at that. So pretty. It's pretty, pretty, pretty. Am I even in shot? Probably not. So there was that one. That's beautiful. Okay, I'll show you these. This is a bit embarrassing, that one. Couldn't swatch it. Look, it's marbled. But these two are very, very beautiful. Really pretty acrylics. You can never have too many files. I need to get the other ones then, don't I? But I don't really use square. I don't know, but yeah, shit ton of forms and the glass slippers. You can never have too many of those. So this was, or is, oh, let me, shit, I was too close, wasn't I? Sorry about that. Yeah, so this was the acrylic mystery box number 2. You see, I want to get the rest, but I don't want to get a shitload of more forms. Do you know what I mean? Do they put them in all of the mystery boxes? I don't know. And it was the same with the gels. You got rainbow top coat in both. So maybe they do that. I don't know. But all in all, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I love Glitterbels, and that's that. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for all of your support. Yeah, so that's it. Take care, everyone. Lots of love. See you in the next one. Bye.